and inside we can do file dialog dot, and then we have here several options. We want to ask to open the file name, okay, is just one, okay, and what we need to provide here, the master, okay, the master of this element, it will be the self, okay. Let's insert a title to this element. Let me just copy and paste, okay, and we are good to see something, okay. So let me open the terminal and let's run. We have these. Let's go here to avocado and it appears, okay, it appears, but I don't know if you notice, but the editor window, when we clicked, let me show you again. You see this window is on top, right? We open this, open the image, and it goes back, okay, it goes back